Hello everyone, today I'm going to put you guys through how I achieve this Instagram photo effects right here. So to achieve this, we have to make a screenshot of our Instagram page. Like, this is my own Instagram page screenshot right here, so it's been pasted already on my Photoshop CXCs. So you too paste it on your own Photoshop CXCs, and let's start with the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do right now is to double click on the background layer and click OK. Come to the crop, then the crop it to Instagram size 1080 pixels to 1350 pixels. Then we now crop it inside here. Very good. Now next thing we are going to do right now is to come to our marking tool here. Then we make a selection of the picture area. We zoom in to have a perfect selection. We click on the right click and go to transform selection. We come down here to have a perfect selection. Click on OK, then Ctrl 0 to go back to our original size. Then we click on backspace, then we deselect. Now next thing we are going to do right now is to go to our background layer. We want to put our background right now. Okay, now we drag, put it down here. We right click on the background and go to rasterize. Then we zoom my control minus to zoom in, sorry. Then we what's it called, then we Ctrl T right now, Ctrl T, so we can transform the image and make it, you know, bigger. Then we place it right here, right here. I think this is okay. Then we click OK. Now next thing I'm going to do is to blur the background. Come to filter and go to blur, Gaussian blur. I like to leave it at 3 pixels. It depends on you. You can put it at 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, but I think 3 is okay for me. Now we go to our PNG file, the model. We place it on it. The model will be on top of every layer. Okay, click enter on top of every layer. So we right click on the model and go to rasterize. Now the model is too big. We have to make it look smaller so it's gonna fit into what we want to do right here. So I think it's okay this way, and it's the center with. Now enter. Very good, we are getting there. So next thing I'm going to do is to create a shadow by and legs. So we're going to create a new layer. So we're going to create a new layer is going to be below our model layer. Let's name it to leg shadows. Very good. So now we zoom in so we can have a clearer look on it. Very good. And click on brush tool. Yeah, brush tool. Make sure your opacity is 33% and here is black. Then you reduce your brush size. Okay, very good. This is your brush size this way. Then we go. Oh la, that's good. That's good. Exactly. Then we come to here, tweak the income displays and try it again. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now let's see how it looks like. Right, we are getting there. So we come to our moving tool back. Then something is missing right here. Do we see that our model is just, you know, resting on a hand is resting on something on the space, you know, but it's not good that way. We are going to put something right there. We come to shape tools, which is U. We're going to put some rectangle tools. Then we come here, make sure here is fill is white. Then we come here, then we create a rectangle, yeah, white. Then we come here, we rasterize it. Very good. Then we come here, move it down, we move it, yeah, on top of the sky. We'll place it on top of the sky. Very good, on top of the sky. Then we come to our moving tools. We click on rectangle. Then you click on down key on your keyboard so you can keep balance this way. Okay, I think that's fine that way. Now we are going to create the shadow on shadows by a hand. The shadows here, control plus create shadows here. Create shadows this place. Now what we'll do is to create a new layer, then place the shadow in between here. Shadow is going to be on top of the rectangle layer. Let's put it hand shadow. Then take our brush, make sure it's 33%, and our brush is in hardness is 0%. Okay, that being said, and here is black. Now we'll use your brush size, then we go like this. Very good. Then we come this way like this. Voila. Then go back. We are getting there. So next thing we are going to do now is to it appears she's sitting on nothing right now, so we are going to create a what is it called, create like a gradient, so it's going to look at she's sitting on something, give it a 3D effect. So we create a new layer. Then the layer is going to be below, on top of the rectangle. Yeah, let's name it gradients. Okay, very good. We name it gradients. Then we click on the gradients right here. Then make sure it's in this one, is the first one, and make sure it's this place, and make sure the mode is screen, opacity is 90. Then what we are going to do is to click from here on it like this. Then voila. Don't worry, just come to your gradients and click on create clipping mask. So you come to your moving tools right here, then you move it right here, right here. Then we control T to what's it called, to transform it. Then you hold on shift and you drag it down. Hold on shift, you drag it down, or that once more. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, then it comes to your fill. Reduce the fill like 40 or 45 is okay. 45 is okay, I think. So now next thing we are going to do is to create a new layer. Is going to be a new layer like this. It's going to be on top of the gradient. No, let it be below. Okay, on top is okay. Now let's name it brush. Okay, brush. Then we rasterize it. Sorry, we create clipping marks on it. Clipping marks, brush. So we take our brush tools, which is shortcut is B. Then we increase our brush. We increase it very big, very good. I think it's okay that way. Very good. Then we now give it one click. Voila, that's it. One click. Then we come here, fill, reduce the fill to about 50 or 40, depends on you. 50 or 40, 41 is okay, or 40, get about. Okay, that's it everyone. So now next thing we are going to do is to just come to our sky layer, the background, click on here, click on this tool, and click on vibrance. Then we increase the saturation so the light can pop out in the, can you see light popping out? Very good. Now we come to here, the vibrant tool, then we create a clipping mask on it. Then we go to our model as well, then we click on these two and go to vibrance, then we increase the vibrance saturation on the tool. Voila, that's it. So that's it everybody. This is the Instagram effect. Then you save it, and that's all. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Just stay tuned, stay connected, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to put in more tutorials like this, so you can practice these and all of that. So I'm going to put in these files, this picture, the model, the PNG file, and then the background, everything on the description below, so you can download them and practice it at home. Thank you very much everyone for watching. Peace out.